Accepted IDs for GCash verification. When verifying your GCash account, please ensure your ID meets the following requirements: not expired. The ID must be valid and within the expiry date. Not damaged. The ID should be clear and in good condition. Actual ID, a physical ID is required. Scanned or photocopied IDs are not allowed, except for national ID, then it is allowed. Accepted IDs for Filipino citizen 18 plus years old with a PH SIM. Passport. HDMF, Pag-ibig Loyalty Plus. Driver's License. Philippine Postal ID. PRC ID. UMID. SSS ID, National ID, Card Type. National ID, Paper Type/Digital National ID. For more details, please visit GCash official website. Link in the description. Hope it helps.